Thursday. Because it's old school Thursday. Lunenge nyuma kidogo. Yes. Telephone.
THIMU.
Yes. Unajua mobile squeeze ndio sinaongea.
Simu ni mambo yote.
Actually karere ya Muthoni na Stacy. No muone we mutukire muno gita thimu ino mobile.
Na mugorio.
Ni aragorire mobile. Ena mungurio. There is a time buying a mobile phone was the in thing. On actually family yake ajege discussion yo ya shiftaga haribe. Ni uramenya Frederick ni aragorire mobile. Ndiri waya
na niraria
araririe haha mugunda tuona hata ari kwiyariria aramekira gutugwa kwa ndiraigua pio ucio ni soromithi. Ndiraigua pio ucio ni soromithi. No, it was wow. Aya matingi menya thimu kwende cietwa mobile na kwende bagura thimu na nduri mundu oro mungihurira.
Turari horo just about 25 years ago.
Yes. Because before that we had the public telephone booths. Yes. Ciakora booth Nairobi. Na ndonyo cia icagire iria ciũkĩrĩirie.
Ndonyo cia icagi ti ciothe ciarĩ nacio.
Yes.
Mbere nĩ ndonyo cia icagi iria cionete thitima tene.
Na ciina mawabici ma gĩthirikari.
Na mũno divisional.
Yes. Kũndũ kwĩna borithi na bothita. Tondũ gũtingĩagire bothita
kwage thimũ.
Yes.
Very true.
Kwanja harĩa bothita-inĩ nĩ harĩ thimũ nyingaingĩ. Tondũ the post office was basically, you know, epitomized communication.
Na mbere yake ya tene nayo posta nĩ yarĩ outlets nyingĩ nginya ndonyo cia icagi.
Yes.
Unlike today.
Booth cia thimũ citiathiĩte mũno. Tondũ njũĩ wega kĩhoya gũtiarĩ.
Kohoya nĩ kwarĩ.
Kĩhoya, sorry. What is this other place called? Rũgongo rũrũ rwarĩrĩ. Kia Ngoni na kũu. There's like a place there. I'm forgetting the name. No Iego gũtiarĩ. Yes. Iego nĩ wambate nginya kũndũ gwĩtagwo Gakĩra. Kangĩma. Ũkahure thimũ. Na ona gwĩ taũni kwarĩ booth, but it was malfunction.
Gwĩkũndũ wakorana nĩ ũndũ wa vandalism rĩ.
Yes.
Ũgakora ndĩrutaga wĩra.
Rĩmwe nĩ wakoraga the Kenya Post and Telecommunication, which was the authority then, nĩ moka matara macingi marĩa mwĩkĩrĩte hau mweri-rĩ.
Makona gũkũ gũtirĩ na nĩ economic viability.
Gũkũ-rĩ nĩ ini.
Rea buru.
Gũkũ andũ maroraga makona ĩyo makĩrĩirio mwarimũ tu. And there were some institutions cia thukuru ciekagĩrĩrwo booth.
Yes. Big institutions.
Big one. High gũthi na igũrũ.
High kwambata.
Itheko. And you see, it was very exciting, especially more to in love. You know, the only medium of expressing your love truth. Yes. Na kulingana na mtu anyita wayo ya thimuri. Now. Wewe ona amekuja maita meri huko.
Ukamenya hapo kuna mapenzi.
Unajua hapo kuna mtu anatumiwa ama anatumiana.
Gwito buthi yale kwari gacarage-ini.
Yes.
Na kairo kwa Muthoni. Na kihoya rugongo rwa gwito kuno kwari buthi.
Ya ndari ya wite. Ona gũtiaumire kũgĩtwo ciũka gũ face one.
No, but system ya hende yo ndiakiona mwena a lot of economic activity.
Ya pana. Tona arĩa mathiaga kangi makũhũra thimũ matiarĩ aingĩ. Yes. Nĩ buthi ĩyo harĩ ya maciringi. Yes. Na harĩ card phone rĩu citiathire gĩcagi.
Card phone tio kira rugongo.
Ciarĩ na kandi ya na ATM.
Kandi
wathiĩ ũkamĩgũra gwa Kenya Post and Telecommunication.
Icio itiahungurira icagi.
Kandi yo ndamĩona na baba mwatha.
Nĩ akĩonete ũtheri tene.
Ĩrĩa arutaga wĩra Ministry of Home Affairs.
Nĩkĩo.
Yes. Andũ nake nĩ athomeire Ngeretha rĩu nĩoĩ tekinoronjĩ ĩrĩkũ.
Tekinoronjĩ ĩyo.
Kandi yakorwo ĩhana rĩu. Ĩyo nĩyo yarĩ scratch card ya rĩu. Yes. Rĩu wathi wamĩgũra gwa Telecom rĩ, tuge wagũra ya ngiri. For example then, ya 100 ya meri, wathi ũgekĩra
macini-inĩ.
Ũkahũra. Ũkaria kĩrenga.
Kĩrenga.
Yes. Rĩu ha mũkulima mdogo wa affordable. Nĩ ciako iriganĩtie hau. Ciako iriganĩtie card phone. Eno yako yandĩkĩtwo tu telephone.
Na ici cia affordable ciothe ciarĩ cia rangi mũtune.
Yarĩ ndune. Eno ya kandi yarĩ ya blue. Rĩu ona mũndũ eharĩa ya kandi rĩ, ona nĩraigua conversation nĩ lafuru. Mwena wa affordable. Nĩ ũrateng'eria ũhoro tondũ mbeca iria wĩkĩire nĩ igambire nĩ njoici ndũmĩra mbeca cia school fees kũratwĩkie nĩ nginya na 500. Nginya wakiuma hau ũkahũrwo rũhĩ nĩ ũrĩa wateng'eria ũhoro. Nĩ yakwa raini.
Kwa affordable ndwarĩ na luxury ya time.
Nĩ wekĩra ciringi ciaku 4 na ũrathiĩ ũnyitĩire tondũ he ũndũ ũngĩrĩkia ũhoro na egucia ingĩ. Nĩtũgacemania Thĩka gwa mananathi stage-inĩ harĩa Ngai-inĩ cia Nairobi.
No hĩndĩ wa andũ marĩ wehokeku tondũ warĩ.
Yes.
Kambuni ya thimũ tondũ no yakĩrĩ aruti a wĩra arĩa magĩũka kuonoria booth.
Yes.
How are they entrusted with that money?
I think every booth had a system that would count. Mbeca iria
ciaingĩra.
Tondũ ngwĩciria harĩa hagũagĩra ciringi tio hagũagĩra thumu. Kwĩ nĩ cia nginya mateni. Yes. Na kwĩ andũ nao marĩ hackers a hĩndĩ ĩyo. Mamĩtegaga na gĩteni na bigiji. Yes.
No kwarĩ hackers.
Yategwo ũguo rĩ. Yegeciria no ĩrameria. Mũkarigwo mũndũ waririe. Wamũrora matonyo ndahana mbeca icio arahũthĩra. Yes.
No ndũ athiaga mũno gũtagĩte na suspicion.
Yes.
Gatuĩka na mwanake wa kĩrĩba nĩ okaga haha ũcandi.
Yes.
Na ihinda rĩrĩa araria thimũ-inĩ nĩ tũrarigwo kũrĩa araruta mbia.
Na mwanake ũcio ti mũthũkũmi. Andũ nĩ makũneana gwĩcibũ. Back then, people were responsible of reporting crime.
Yes.
Tiga thikũ ici mera nginya borithi kimbia mwizi. Ndagũra moka akamĩtega hau. Andeheragia guoko hau. Akaria
ngero.
Kinya akamba rĩu kwĩra mũndũ kuja upige kwanza nitaendelea.
Hackers.
And you see, if you are not very bold with your love truth, nĩ wahĩgĩkaga tondũ ici tiarĩ privacy. Ũmenye wandĩarĩ mũrango wa kũhinga. Yes. He ũndũ waragiria kairĩtu. Aya mera-inĩ makamenya gũtirĩ mũirĩtu ũngĩtĩkia ciugo ta icio magatheka.
Wĩna audience ĩ thutha waku.
Karĩ. Isaro. Kaiko miseta tahiti. No mira kwa ũrĩa gwatata gũ nĩguo ndahũra thimũ. Njugire hũra thaa ici nĩ njoe wĩra. Tũrahikania rĩ waniĩ. Andũ auja magatheka. Paka ya is arrested. Living in oblivion. Tekehiko. Sometimes they were loud. You could hear the conversation two ways. Tekehiko. Eni. Wadagisi ya kuthi kwa na mufea. Wewe ukienda kuhikari. Nini na Saturday jega. You sound like a fool in front of the entire village. Ima niende na thikũ ithatũ itarĩte. Gũgwĩciria. Ũngĩona ndĩrĩte kũrĩa hĩndĩ ĩrĩa tũrugĩte mũcere wa mboco rĩ. Hũine gũkwenda Karo. Ũroka rĩ. Magarara buroti. Gaye. Gautanya thaa cigana.
Na nyawira Selina.
Ndigathira ai. No, ndeta komisororokia na tuanane. Kibao wako ano by the way. Is full. Haje kuna mtu wako na nyundo huko, huyo msichana yuko. Nasio mayai anagonga.
Kwina Nairobi?
Woi manio jesiragia. Nyine mgotha hia nywe gatithia gwecirie. Wena gitira giria ng'ombe mahuti no we go geciria. Woi please we kaike wendo tukahweta mai mairima. Alikoenda unagongewa. Reure. Powerful people. You know, there are some people who are powerful. There are people in power. There are people who wield power. And there are power brokers. Na kwea dukoraga in any setting of power, they don't have a portfolio, but somehow the buck stops with
them.
Yes.
Or they move things.
Yes. Kana wakora kondoko mweri. Ona mundu ria munene piyuri. Tiwe tuwa maundu.
Asa.
Yes. There is someone who is junior to him, but is in the system.
Kana mundu uyo tangihota ku define exactly.
Yes.
Niki ekaga.
Yes.
But they wield power.
They wield a lot of power. And sometimes they even have a docket, but the power they wield. And I'm talking where I'm coming from. Of course, there was the principal's office. Metal headmaster. Yes. Head teacher. Yes. The deputy. Yes. The heads of departments and the discipline master, which mostly was the deputy. Deputy
discipline.
Yes. But there was a very powerful office in the school. BAZAA. The school BAZAA. You know, he was the one who made sure the economy of the school is up and
running.
Yes. Never headmaster today. Mwenene yuko igata ciana.
Haria ndeto ya kinya ri.
Haria turugameire mwarimu. Ni ukumatuma kureke.
Kuria ciari.
Magire bia. Mwarimu akoria ndiki. Tutire na bebe.
Wewe ciahanaga PS wa treasury.
Exactly. You see, the PS is the accounting officer of the ministry. Yes.
Yo menyaga riu gutikaire wega.
Yes.
Na ki advice anene yake.
Yes.
Andu ha kwi department ikwamba ikonyerwo bia.
Yes.
Twambe tutware kundu kuria kurucio.
Yes. Na BAZAA aigiri matiaumaga wabisi.
No, they were ever in the office.
You
sitting.
Would not go to see the BAZAA umwage. Niko ya mwalimu munene. No BAZAA. Office of the
BAZAA.
It always had the person employed as the BAZAA. Pona gauma na igima ina tumasisio na ya kuhe. BAZAA igima tiare ara yi. They would always swing with the chairs. Karago guo.
Wali haria gatirisha ini.
Muno kwaja riu aciari makire ciana ndu no mwaka. Ndio mwalimu ndona gaciari. Yes.
Muti wa thiku muherugano.
Yes. Amuiguire tha. BAZAA kuraye. Admission ni ko muciari.
Kama admission ni na bake.
Recigana. Was your admission ni unaulizwa? And the BAZAA was like a teacher who would beat you up.
Could you admission namba yako?
1635. Muciari wenda. Kwenda ngoja hapo nje. Hapo ni kama leo unalipa fees. Go step out. Muciari mwethutha muno. Mwethutha muno tondu you see taruro haha. ici ni balance cia last term na nona rĩu woka na ngithano cia term ĩno icio tũkwamba tũikie ici ciake
cia balance iria
na tũgĩona gatithio no tũtingĩthia tũkĩgucagia balance mbere kwa itu iguire tu mwarimu aciari meta BAZAA mwarimu tũiguire tu and you know you would have to give him your love truth ndĩna kĩmena gĩkĩ hau gĩa kahũa na twatua wega ndona tũkĩgĩa kiro rita rĩrĩ tondũ nĩ tũnganangĩtie boni
ona watuona haha ũguo tuoka icio ithano ni ndanyita mbũri igĩrĩ ciuma hau
na ciuma nginya rĩru na nĩ ũramenya mwana ũyũ nĩ akoragwo we mũũgĩ na ndirarega no rĩu wĩthoma atĩa rĩu ngũcoka njĩre mwarimũ atĩa and now the BAZAA wielded some other powers cia rĩrĩ kwĩhokwo nĩ aciari you know your parents would know your spending ways they would know you are lackluster
when a discipline ya bia
you two worlds apart is Limpopo and the Antarctic rĩu oka akandĩkithia pocket money yaku kwa BAZAA kũu nĩ ta kũneanwo kũrĩ regulatory authority. It is your money but so what? He had a silent cycle yore abatie kugira mbeca
kuhuthira mbia ciaku
and the BAZAA knew everybody ona kweli wota agemenye rutu the but the BAZAA would know everyone
kuwaja form 2 upward
yes
akoragwo we mundu wothe
kila mtu woka how and the BAZAA used to even come on Saturday for some hours they were always busy
okay ukithia hau ati urenda uka kuruta pocket money
what is it
want to remove 100
I want to extract unataka pesa ngapi 100 okay musasi alikwambia amekuwekea ngapi 400 umetoa ngapi so far sipokuwa ile siku nikuitisha 50 ya last plus you had to sign a document explaining how you are going to spend the resources.
Your money.
And it is your money. And there was no ATM withdrawal. It was always
over the counter.
I kune aiga na leo ukona tale ukukuhe. And it is your money. Nyani yako raia. Bona hiyo macho yako ni nyekundu. Are you smoking cannabis?
Hapana ni fubi.
Bona wengine hawakui macho nyekundu.
Inakuaga hivyo yangu.
Kwani uko na macho yako binafsi kivyako wengine hawana?
Niliambia ni alaje.
Kwani hiyo alaje unaipata saa zile tamu inaenda kuisha? Aya andika hapo. Na uandike unaenda kutumia pesa na nini?
Your money.
Na leo mwani ana oguo. Akuria gitumio kama yate. I want to buy madasi. Kwani uko na minyo? Hamukuli huku?
Si mnapikiwa na shule?
Si shule mnapikiwa si mlikuwa lunch? Watu mnaenda trip wapi? Okay. You amenya aginya your background check. Do you know how much money you have left here?
Nikifanya hesabu naona kama ni 380.
Tuko Murang'a na kwenyu ni Shamata. Unataka uitishe pesa yote uanze kukoperea mambo ya fea shule ikifungwa.
Nitapitia kwa shosho yangu.
Mama yako akileta pesa hapa hakuwa anajua uko na nyanya yako huku. Aliniambia nikisikia nimeisio ninakujia. Fea ya kwenda kwenye Shamata ni pesa ngapi?
300.
Na umesema babaki 3 nini?
360.
Sasa nitakupea hiyo 60 na nisikuone hapa tena mpaka siku ya kufunga. Are we together? Waiguata thirikari iraku forceful acquisition of your resources.
Ukamenya tigane haria tu ina controlled environment.
Yes.
Yogia muthesha kigima.
Wajia campaign hau ya kuonia financial maturity hari muciari. Wekinya form 2 ya go vari. Weke uria gweka na
cio. Wenda kuri urie.
Ona BAZAA ni amenyaga. Ni amenya wega form 2 ri. Ni handu mahingagira account.
And the account becomes dormant. Maka bypass the system.
Maje kero wadu wash. Matira to kiria pesa. No, ni waigua very capture. Waigua on your state capture. Ye kwa BAZAA ne aragwathira.
Araguthomera mbia ciaku.
Wathia to kwa ndo mati airo ta ngiri. Yes. Ugathiukera BAZAA. I want some money.
How much?
400. Kwani unanunua gari? Ukaligo, what is your business? Okay, ira na thini. That is none of your business.
Unanunua gari. Ama unapanga mgomo. Unataka kununua petrol mshome shule. Hapa nikikupea pesa mingi ni 100. Can you sign there? Wacha 99. Look at you. Sign hapa. Nige hebesha nigio giathire ko withdraw na ciaku.
Yes.
Raise alarm.
No, there was a capping. There was a capping.
No, he would notify the administration.
Todo tagithie bengi wetie milioni igire tegutaria kire reka tia.
Kire urathi gwika nacio.
Hebio gietirie. Ici flagwo.
Account yaku ya benyito.
Yes.
The central bank.
Wewe no asamu no kwa head. Nilisikia unataka 500. You have employees you want to pay. No, you would get pissed off. Ona wakira mami wanyu ni wako mutine na mbeca ciakwa ni ndigũthie cukuru iyo. They have a very bureaucratic institution.
Ati urathire kuruta 500 na ne maku. Uretanirwo na iguru.
Urerwo capping ni 200.
No rathitangwo.
Ati kurara Israel flag central bank. Exchequer.
Akuetanirwo kwa anti fraud.
Akuetanirwo Subaru. No, it was a painstaking process to withdraw. You are fun.
Yes, yaku.
Yes. Anaemwa BAZAA ni aroraga. Kuna uliwekewa pesa ngapi na mzazi? 800. Na bona ujalipa pesa ya library. Tutakata hapo. I am not my parent. This is my money.
You are overstepping.
You are overstepping your mandate. But that kind of democracy was non-existent. You would be labeled a rebel. And the consequences
were dire.
Nimwe no athia unoka akuneo bia. Kanoke rothiriri. Kuja made.
Nilikuwa nasitaka weekend. Nimesema kuja made.
I said you come on Monday.
What are you?
Who are you? Hapa akaigora draw. Unaona hakuna pesa kwenda kuja made. Ayetu ndio maiguagirwo.
Rukarigwo atiriri.
Yes.
My money is here.
Yes.
Urajira goka made ate.
And we willingly banked.
What are you telling me?
We opened an account with your bogus. And now you're procrastinating my withdrawal. As who?
Uchoke uthomere.
BAZAA. Withoma yegweta o makundo. Makudogia ni ata makasiri maku maria oi
makwaririe
mundu ni anyua thigara sawa ike
ati ni due diligence
ona kirende kienja ni kiamenya wega the transaction was not successful. You see, the bank stopped with the BAZAA. He would decide what is actual balance and what? Abeira. No action manana. No available gigana
rimwe.
Yes.
And you do nothing.
You do nothing. And you report to no one. No, they would regulate you like the DCI or NIS.
Like uniform.
Yes.
Ya thukuru kana
ya thukuru. You see, until the other day, sukuru hakwe cia primary rugongori mekiraga yellow na green. You would not tell them apart. Gutire any locality ya gacukuru rekirwo
yellow
Kenya thakia green na chati ya yellow.
That was Kiamuturi primary for our zone.
Yego primary as well. Actually, the only high school that used to wear like that, I don't know whether they still wear like that. Nekahuhia girls. I don't know whether they.
I think they have since changed their uniform.
Yes, they were never comfortable about it. So give them money to the man ali. Mwari wa home mutahi atha maira kahuhia girls na ni to mundu resaga down mu ni undu wa yellow and green.
No ndeciragia muno cia thondeketwo go especially kundu kwari na mathina mama.
Yes.
Ni undu wa mithelele.
Scarcity of water.
There was one factor.
So it was a containment measure.
Yes. Todo no Ugirathire ikambaini until the other day.
Yes.
That uniform was very common.
Very common. Actually, adoram amarika maya maitori. Ukikuria album cia ori, you think we all went to the same school. And you know, it is an iconic picture. Ya mundu na chati ya yellow, unyatharwa green, ne maguru matheri.
Eyo yakuite a third of the population.
Yes. Wana acia na ciega tutu kona tari kiro. Huti na kiro.
Na gau no how me inspiration ya riri.
Yes.
Marangi maunda.
Wasi ayudie maruti rangi hau. Makiona reke mau andu with their memories. No, everybody had green and yellow. Na hiyo tunaomekira ka dress gago shuria ata suspenda na kavira uthika eru.
Aya na wale macenjia magekira ru pink ru wale runyitu
ru mata na ru ino ni ate ya bright this all ya semana na no green ni yare mata ni etiragia ukio ni efindite iyo ni ya guthite ru wa primary yothe na nikionaga aria metagwo high high school.
High.
Yes. No, just school yetagwo high tena yetagwo told they used to have the A level.
From 5 and 6.
Yes.
Issue ne yetagwo high.
Because nyingi cire to high.
High was since abused by Harrow School.
Yes, tena gutiare high nyingi. Totaru ere ari proximo na gwito yegori. Nekage ma high. Yes.
Jombe high.
Yes, Muranga high. Mogoiri was girls. High school.
It was also high school.
Even the other one up there after Mugoi ya vijana.
Kiaguthu.
Yes. Aria mathia hairi. You used to get very mesmerized. You actually even used to intimidate your father Mwaiga thukuru. Okete na BLAZZER. Anadogole akura.
Arani.
Kamuthoma na thuti.
Ukamenya ni ya ugura.
Yes. Paja BLAZZER yako na misororo haho either yellow or what.
That was our uniform at Karema Boys.
Yes. There was an iconic one yako. I think it's purple. Iragio we ni ulikuwa kitu Project X. That color. Na to band to wana utata pilot wa ndege.
Itho kira BLAZZER ya maroon.
Yes.
Igacoka riu gekiro kaban ha guoko-ini ka yellow.
Yes.
Na logo ya thukuru.
Yes.
What are you saying?
No, unazio BLAZZER ici yori. Ukija form 2 re. Dwe, you never used to dry clean it. Yeah, nate rara yo damos.
You see, BLAZZER ni yari triki.
Yes.
Na wafati kura ni triki we form 1.
Yes.
Don't overdo it.
Yes.
Tondu by the time unakinya form 2 ukoro omehunyurite.
Wega.
Meka gwa cianda.
Wana mundu withutie mwe ya mumwe agurirwa akirugamirira ohiki.
Riu BLAZZER ndari ya gwikira every day.
Yes.
Riu no amiga gokamikira occasionally.
Yes.
Wa mbere ndigate shape na ndigakure na ruwa.
Exactly.
Wa mihinyia o muthenya ri.
Yes.
Sasa itakuwa kagunia.
Yes. Na andu aru ogwara mathie cukuru cia BLAZZER. Ni mundu aiguaretirwo Mangu. Muranga High. Nyeri High.
Kwaja Nyeri High used to stand out
remarkably in the Lions. Yes. Starehe mekira BLAZZER na Kenyatha. I don't know if they still wear the shorts as Starehe.
I think it's still there even today.
Yes. Okay, no kage sagi mwahiga no mwako gathie na BLAZZER.
No, watajua.
Ona wae koraga locality anyutiga cifo. Ona thoguo ni ahuthagira undu ucio ukuoni uria ehothete. Niendi ndekira igoti ta riu. Ndawikira tho.
No na murathoma na igoti.
Yes. And it would be very unfortunate we shukuru yekira BLAZZER na ni ugwaga. Ekigeranio.
Was very unfortunate.
Very. You look like a pilot but inside of you. Na do ya BLAZZER ni magaga cukuru cia purofa.
Pio.
You see purofa na yori. Ndere maica maraihu ta BLAZZER. No, rero tumoro rathiro tunguite rwa purofa yanyu ri. No guo kwamenya wa cukuru yanyu ni ya boco-ini.
Oria muratungu ya uthi.
Ndega no gakobia keho mutumia etumagira kana gake kenda. Wewe bwana ciana ta toria kiondo kia mbagu. Rutumoro tungu. Na ikara ngari ni arituhaga ikehera ngingo.
Uthio kagucoka.
Hey, no, an old cardigan, no a purofa, would not look very good. Kwaje, nwene athia keherera ciande.
Ekajia kugwa kiande kimwe.
Yes. Kwaje mathie form 1 mahinga. Una tumono ya form 1 mathire mere menene. Natumona tunini uguo. Tuhana tari stock brokers.
No, ginyo gaino kire na BLAZZER.
Yes.
Hey.
You would even literally preserve it. Yes.
Ni amuhigo.
Yes. Okana kagoti utwekanirie.
The scholar is now home for holidays.
PLO Lumumba has just jetted in. But the look would be spoiled by an 8-point bag. Luku uko nayo lakini bag.
Bag inakataa.
Yes. No geshoka thukuru wekete kagoti kauri. Uri ona igwa. Ino ithio tugithoma ri gutiona yo okua snacks na irio. Undu wagirio thutha uyu. Tene ni wamba ukaruga macabaci maku. Ugatinia igwa.
No gatharukia nduma.
Na indo icio ratharukia cia mugunda ri. You would exchange it with the goodies of Nairobi people. Yes.
We kiuba rugongo uke na nduma na ngwaci.
Yes.
Na igwa.
Yes.
Na andu akuma na guku ri.
Yes.
Moke na
tamu. Never mind. Cabaci imwe the barter trade was not fair. Cabaci imwe ni acijanagio na maciaro ma rũrĩrĩ rũgima. Nioyaga ngwaci wega.
Neo cabaci imwe. Kamugate muhake.
Yes. Kana cionithirio gĩciko gĩaku bluebirds. Nĩo nĩane makondo gakonia nuthu.
Indo cia mũgũnda itiakuagwo no.
Hapana. No. Kana todo mana reto Harrow ritwa meta mũkũrino. I understand he was a mũkũrino ka high school akiona ũndũ ũcio ti very.
Akĩricũkwo.
Yes. Nĩo kana kĩbũyũ kĩa iria imata. And here was a trick.
Agekua iria imatare yake.
Rita ici.
Ithano.
And you see the trick of here was the catch.
Kana gabae ka iria imatare.
Iria imatare. Ria kwĩgagateria wega kuma ng'ombe-inĩ ri. It used to mature with age. Gĩtiathũkaga. Rĩu wiki ya kerĩ ri. Niagwĩkagĩra gĩkombe. Nayo karũgama nake gĩ finance. Wamũkora break time agĩthũca. Anaikara wau agatũmana gabae.
Gagakungĩra rũgiri-inĩ.
He would supply us with the cholesterol.
Gũkũyũ bwathire KCC.
No, we are in the milk industry. Nĩngũria gatimũ Harrow nĩathire.
It seems like he had a thing with milk.
Tondũ na gatimũ rĩ, onake no support ũhoro ũcio wa iria. Well, no akinyotora andũ but in other ways. I think he has survived the spirit in my mind.
Areo industry-inĩ onyotori.
Areo industry-inĩ ya refreshments.
No ũyũ wa mwĩtha wanja wa kũrinda rĩ.
Pacho. Mũndũ na kombe.
Ũgathimĩrwo ta cang'aa.
If you were his friend, you would get pro bono. Nathi mae kombe nuthu ka.
15.
Niamba kũrĩruta mahuti.
Aumĩte kũ?
Kwa Harrow ni kwarĩ kũnjotha. I think if not G-thatũ.
Ngĩkorwo aumĩte kũndũ nginya ũmũthĩ kwĩna Huduma Center hakuhĩ.
Nĩ irio ya hau ha Njoe wa Macharia. Ndiĩ amenya atia ng'ombe kũrĩa ciarĩte. Toti yao ndiagĩciaraga Nairobi. He would always come with a jerrycan of fermented milk. Nah, that's wrong. I need to Coca-Cola. We serve refreshments while you wait. Waja age kuna ile na kumakirie na gasukari. That was an additional cost. Yeah, and extra toppings ya pizza.
Extra barbecue.
Any extra toppings, extra cheese. Topping yake ya gasukari kani.
I think he was an industrialist in Kuatamenyete.
I don't know, he was. He was a merchandiser. An entrepreneur.
Neither kenda na forte. Okana gafai.
Ayo nenje.
Ndageitheka.
Ayo mukere gutiare maundu ta macio. Magoti mari mo. Ando na rufe ni wa vivo na kiathomeire mukerenju.
Yakiria ya harambe.
Actually rufe ni wa vivo rimena njeri. They are some of the best ever products mukerenju. Yes.
That is good.
Eko hetoka. Ona mawikira magoti.
Ona mawikira BLAZZER no mahetokire.
Yes. Agora uizo school ngere. Omenya kwa ta ihigari. And I don't know that they changed that uniform because they should have. Ihiga secondary ri. Tametaga irenge.
Irenge.
Mai na furana ya orange na mufuto wa orange. Orange kweririe. What is this color na gito kama sports?
Eno ne yellow.
Yellow is orange. Yes. Tameta butternut.
Ne mosio ne rangi wa butternut.
Full yellow. Magatumiru gote magatumiru oria yellow.
Matikianire wega. Magianire riu riri. Dancer cia nyimbo cia Kalonzo ene.
Kanagiria makacharo.
Yetagwo Susan wa Mwangi, Principal wa Petans Technical Training Institute, Thika Campus.